Yes. Okay. The first ones give us an angle, a radius, and an arc length, and they are, well, hold on. They can give you any two of those three things, and you have to figure out the remaining parts for whatever is missing. So in number 2, they give us 175 degrees. Radius is what we're solving for. And arc length, S is 10. I guess I should actually tell you this is theta, although I think that's pretty self-explanatory. So what do I know about finding like pieces of arc length?
Radians.
I need to be in radians, so I need to convert 175 to radians. This comes out to be like 3.05 or something. So then S equals R theta. I'm solving for R. So R is S over theta, which is 10 over 3.05, which happens to come out to 3.27. And if you're solving for the angle and they've given you radius and arc length, then automatically whatever angle you get is going to be in radians.
Yay.
So.
Do you have to have your calculator in a certain mode?
Not for these ones. The only time you have to have it in the certain mode is if you're actually plugging it into, like, a trig function.
Okay.
Like sine, cosine, tangent, etc. Literally some of these questions say, determine if it's even or odd, secant.
Odd. I mean, even. Wait.
Even.
Secant is even.
Mix it up. Secant, second, cosine.
Tangent,
Odd.
cosecant,
Odd.
Can you spell that for me?
cotangent.
Odd.
That's it. Okay.
God.
Well, we just did 4 questions, guys.
Yay. A
Um,
little bumpy there for a second.
10 says to find all the trig values of theta with the given condition. So they tell us that tangent of theta is -1, sine of theta is less than 0. So what quadrant does this have to be in?
I say 4.
Yes.
What would you have said, Virginia?
I have no idea. I see. My mind thought 4, but I didn't know what it meant. I couldn't back it up. It was just a guess.
So tangent is even in, or is even, is negative in 2 and 4. And so, but it told me that sine is less than 0, so I knew it had to be on the bottom, so the only option is for it to be over here. Is that tracking?
Not
Unit circle.
really. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Virginia.
Wait, can you say it again?
Yes. So tangent is negative here and here. Sine less than 0 implies that the y values are negative, so it has to be down here. So the overlap is right here.
Okay.
Bless you.
Good luck.
Now it's not gonna happen.
Sneeze
I'm
already.
thinking about it.
Look at the light.
It's too late. I didn't catch it in time. Oh, that's silly.
All right, so tangent are what values? So got
Toa.
Oh.
So
That's what you were
-1 because this is the going down value, and this would be 1. Y'all looked at me like, what is she talking about?
Yeah.
Got a little lost.
So if this side is 1 and this side is 1, what's this side?
Root
Wow.
2.
Oh,
Root 2. It's a special type.
I was gonna say
What is that special type?
45, 45.
He's like, 45, 45, 90. That was like us recording that video yesterday for volleyball.
I love it.
Dragging Julia across the ground, and she's like, for all 3 teams, and we're red, white, and blue versus Greenbrier.
Like she pauses before she said 4. She's like at 4. I love it. It turned out so good.
It was funny. It only took us like 30 minutes to record it yesterday. It's
Did
like,
you do the other one too?
no, not yet. I think we're gonna try to do that one for maybe before senior night. We should do that and have Riley and Tori like up at the front. I think that would be cool.
That'd be really cool.
And then we could have you and Maggie in the middle.
She'd be like, no, we can be the
No,
ones
in your
that-
jerseys.
No. But you're the
Be
ones
like,
that
and we
know.
have some special players joining us for senior night.
Wow, you're special.
You know, like
now.
they put like the stuff in the middle. We can be like the ones that they throw it on.
So you want people to-
No, and then have y'all running around trying to pick everything up.
With like towels, bro. I like that. I'm still a little confused how we got the number. Like, how did you know that was 1 if that was -1?
Because tangent is opposite over adjacent, and I knew that this was a negative, so one of these 2 values had to be negative.
Oh, okay.
You're funny.
Getting back into the swing of things.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So what is sine of our angle?
Negative √2/2.
Yep. Cosine.
Regular root 2.
Regular root 2 over 2. Tangent.
Virginia.
Sorry, I'm thinking.
It's -1.
Tangent was given
Oh.
to us.
That's embarrassing.
That's why I have to
I don't want the next one. You can take it.
Cosecant.
Negative root 2.
Negative root 2. Secant.
√2.
Regular root 2.
And cotangent.
You got this one.
-1.
Yes.
I learned my lesson.
That's good. You learned something.
Yeah.
So proud. See, your brain really does work. I use my brain sometimes. Other times.
Give the measure of the angle in radians and degrees. Give exact values when possible. 28. The inverse sine or arc sine of negative root 2 over 2. Unit circle. Might have to crank out some unit circles here. Have a unit circle pop quiz here.
Me.
I'm studying.
That one. It's negative, right? And I'm gonna say negative pi over 4.
Or
What the degrees was? Negative 45 degrees.
I don't know how you just got that.
so sine only occurs on the right side for inverse.
Okay.
And so it's negative, which means it has to be on the bottom because y value is negative on the bottom. And then root 2 over 2 always occurs in increments of 45. So
Okay.
I'm just smart at that sign.
Yeah, he just pulled that out of the back of his brain.
No, nothing in the back. Didn't have to go.
But it wasn't on like the tip either.
It was
Like the
just
tip of his
floating
tongue.
around
Right.
somewhere in there.
He like had to go through and be like, got it.
I wonder what the people, like Inside Out, I wonder what Josh's look like in his head. I bet they all have like
Curly hair.
curly hair, glasses.
Can you imagine the anxiety one? The curly headed anxiety.
I want to see the anger one. Josh's anger finger emoji.
It gets curlier.
We should make those. I'm gonna make an edit. I'll pick out little ones I think that would look like you.
Let us know when you have it
I
done.
will.
Send it in our group chat.
I'll send it. And then we'll have to show it in the next video.
Oh.
We'll demonstrate.
You'll have to make it like your home screen on your iPad.
Just insert photo here.
No.
Honestly though, I've never seen them.
You've never seen
I've
them?
I've never seen those movies, but
Okay, we
I
have
do
2
know-
questions left,
I-
and then we shall show you.
I do know
Such
what
a
you're
good
talking
movie.
I haven't even seen the second one yet.
Oh,
I
it's
haven't
so
seen the first
Was it
good.
good? I like cried.
I definitely like the first one better,
Yeah.
but the second one was really good.
Okay. I cried at Bing Bong.
What?
Who's a friend that likes to play bing bong, bing bong?
You wouldn't understand, Josh.
Yell hooray, bing bong, bing bong.
Bing Bong. The best character ever.
Sounds like, I don't know. What if you call someone Bing Bong?
Bing bong was the imaginary elephant
Yes.
with a
He
cotton
was their
candy tail.
imaginary friend that got fine. Alright then.
It's kind of weird to think about the fact that like you can have like an imaginary friend as a kid, and then like all of a sudden you just don't remember them.
Like that's weird. Kinda has me thinking.
I mean, I remember mine, but like
Yeah. My imaginary friend was mine was just my cousin, but she lived so far away from me, so I would pretend like she was next to
mine was Debbie.
Debbie.
Like why? I couldn't tell you.
I think I had one that was literally a mushroom.
That checks out. What was its name?
Mushroom.
Oh.
Like from Mario or just like mushroom?
It was just mushroom.
Josh X Mushroom.
Okay. Use the given information to find the exact values of the 6 trig functionals at angle theta. Anyone want to tell me where this one is?
Quadrant 4.
Yes, quadrant 4.
That's about it. Right now.
Yeah.
All right. What values go on each side?
Oh, I got this. Wait.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Opposite. Wait.
Okay.
That would be
so we have
negative. No. Yes, -5. Then adjacent would be 12. And hypotenuse.
This is a special one.
Yeah, I knew that.
It's a
I don't think she knew
Pythagorean triple.
that. Yeah, you definitely had to tell her that. That's for sure. I know it
Is it like 17?
No.
No.
It's 13.
Oh.
17 is one of another Pythagorean
I knew
triple.
that.
15 and 8.
I always mix those up. Oh well.
Silly.
That's okay.
Far off.
Make it work.
144 and 25, 169, square root 13.
Thing.
It's fine. All right.
I'll learn that eventually.
Sine theta.
Negative 5 over 13.
Cosine.
12 over 13.
Tangent.
Negative 12 over 5. What? Wait, no. I mean negative. I'm ready for the other one. I had it in my head. I was like, I'm ready. It's negative 5, 12.
You want to go ahead and tell us cotangent while you're at it?
It's negative 12.
See, this is why I stayed silent. I
Secant.
knew you would do that.
It's cute.
Yeah. Oh. 13 over 12. I tried my best.
Cosecant.
I
Your
was
best is
trying.
not enough.
I was trying to impress you guys.
Oh, you impressed me, that's for sure.
Wait, negative 13 over 5.
I wasn't looking, so I was just like, It's really hard to like look at the board and write something. Like
Oh, I thought that was something.
5-letter BC.
I thought you were writing a problem or something.
42. Evaluate the expression. All right, I'll try this. Ready? The tangent of the arc sine of 9/13.
Wow.
That's what happens if I don't look at the iPad, everyone.
It looks so big.
I like the parentheses.
I agree.
Shane. I don't even know who all those are.
We just typed this one in.
Oh. See, I was thinking, I was like, how do I do that?
Do we need to have it in like radians?
Yes, I believe so.
Oh, cool.
I think my answer is in radians that like the book has. So we could do this one the long way by like writing the stuff out and finding it, but that seems like a lot of work. So I don't want to do that.
Don't wanna do
If it's like a known value, then yes, I would, but it's kind of a lot.
You got this, Virginia.
0.96 radians.
Good job.
Our new musical is called Rad Tidings We Bring.
Really? For church?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. I want to go.
you should come.
When is it?
December 15th.
I'll be there. You just have to remind me, I got bad memory.